Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add checkbox in Excel. We start by entering Excel. Next, we will right-click on a blank space on the toolbar and select Customize the ribbon. Next, we will check the developer box and apply the changes with OK. Once the developer option appears, we enter it. Here, we will look for the Insert option and click on the checkbox option. Then, we will be able to click and drag to create our checkbox and customize it with the title we want. We will see that we can activate and deactivate it. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.